All right, we're trying to figure out the present number of teachers. So let's read the problem and write an equation. The present ratio, which means fraction, of students to teachers is 30 to 1. Okay, if the student enrollment were to increase by 50, we'll add 50 to S. And the teacher enrollment would increase by 5, so add 5 to T, and that's going to change the ratio to be 25 to 1. And we're trying to find the number of teachers. We have an equation here with two variables, but if we take this first equation and solve it for S, we can cross multiply. You can do that when you have one fraction equals another one, and that gives you S equals 30T. Now, everywhere there's an S, let's substitute in 30T. So that's going to be 30T plus 50 over T plus 5 equal 25 over 1. Now we only have one variable in our equation, and we can cross multiply again, and that gives me 30T plus 50 equals 25 times T plus 5. And that's 30T plus 50 equals 25T plus 125. And let's subtract 25T from both sides, and that gives me 5T equals, subtract 50 from both sides, and that gives me 75. Now divide both sides by 5, and that will give me T equals 15.